indications that Dr. Mukul Sangma is also trying to join Congress. As a party, will you welcome it or will you oppose it?
No, actually, nobody, we can neither deny nor, accept. Because till now, he has not met any one of our member. Okay, maybe that might be assumption, presumption, we don't know. Maybe that's just blowing in the wind.
So my answer to that is, Mukul Sangma, whether he has come to us or not, as an AICC representative, I have not received any calls from him. And I have not received any message from any one of my seniors also about this. But at least it answers your question whether Congress is coming back. You know how Mukul Sangma is. If rumors are saying that he is planning to come back, it definitely shows that the people of Meghalaya are thinking of Congress to come back. Else nobody will think of coming back to Congress. So that's a compliment for us, but we don't know anything officially about it. That's what it is.
But the doors are not closed.
Huh?
Your doors are not closed.
Let Madhura speak.
You people are confusing us. Mukul Sangma himself, he has given statement that he will never come back to the Congress. Why you go and ask Dr. Mukul Sangma? Why you are asking? We have not said anything.
No, he himself spoke. No?
There are some
You see, right now-
indications that he has already met some top leaders in Delhi.
We don't know.
Why? No.
So, Saling, I'll just clarify that. If something officially has to happen, there's a senior in charge called named Dr. H. Chandrakumar, who's my boss, reporting boss. And if there is something like that, then the AICC senior leadership will discuss with him. And eventually we will have an internal discussion, for which I can say that nothing of that sort has happened till date. And as she rightly said, since it is concerning with Sri Mukul, a former CM, why did you ask him?
Better, no?
Yeah.
The doors are not closed.
Mukul is your friend.
Why the door should be closed? Come on.
No, Congress party, the biggest advantage of the Congress party is we don't have a door. That's why people, you saw our MLAs, going out. No?
It's too
Coming
talking.
right.
Yeah, we are an open party. We are a very democratic party. We listen to the schemes of the MDCs also. And we were subjected to schemes also. So that's fine.
Anything?
Anything else?
There is one more thing. Earlier,